YouTube, it's your boy Zain the Barber back with another video. In this week's video, I'm gonna be doing a skin mid fade with curls on top and a beard liner. This is the before, so we went straight in with a wall 5-star clip, creating our first guideline. Now we're gonna go in with the Andes T outliner and just remove everything underneath, debulking. Make sure you catch every hair as well. Now for the next step, I got my wall finales and I'm just going to bold out everything underneath that line. Making sure you don't go right to the top because it'll be hard taking out that bottom line. You want to make sure it's nice and smooth. Alright, to start the fade, I got the lever open, a 0.5 guard going up about another inch, even like half an inch, and just flicking, creating our first guideline. To take that out, you're gonna go halfway on the lever and then all the way closed. Now I got the 1.5 open, then you wanna close it, creating our second guideline. This is an easy, very technique that I've been using for the last couple of months. In my opinion, I think this is the best. Now I've got the 0.5 guard open, knocking out that bottom line.